blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would
It is day 29. We have slept our last day on the campground, so from now on it's only booked hostels, so that means we're moving. On the other hand, that means we're not moving too far because we're not getting into San Francisco today yet, which means that we can surf here another day, which is great. But first we gotta check in at the hostel. So we're at the hostel leaving our luggage. Now I gotta say goodbye to this stick. I found it on the second day of the biking. The biking started up in Washington and I've brought it ever since to get in the tent pins, and it's all smashed up already, but I've brought it all the way from Washington, so it's gone quite a way with us.
I'd have a guest house for the guys with me up in Shy City where we sit in sky pretty. I'm just trying to catch a flight and make it in time. You could say I got a fly state of mind. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I'm talking about a jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA and back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. I wanna wake up to a butler with a joint roll for me to help me head upwards. While I clear my head, I wanna discover that Natalie Portman is under my covers. Pull a blank check, get a water slide from my room to the pool. And I ain't worried about school, I'll take a paycheck and buy a couple of A's so my grades will amaze. Looking like I was Harvard made, sexy made, yes. And I got places to be and seen in some magazine, rolling in a limousine. I got people to do, a couple things to see. Kick it at a mansion, partying with Charlie Sheen. I'd hit the studio with Kanye, make a couple hits while we sippin' Bombay. Make another trip to kick it with Dr. Dre, then get hella jet lag from flying the whole day. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. See, I'm talking about a jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA and back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Yeah, I just wanna
We had a zip for today, and I'll see you tomorrow when we're heading into San Francisco. Goodbye.